Hey guys, Brian here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We've actually got a diesel smokestack, that big mammoth thing over there. We're going to be dipping it. We got to do it in 2 dips because of course our film is only 50 centimeters. So we're going to be doing it in 2 dips. We've got half of it taped off there. We're going to be doing this in the IO72. That's a film that we've got. So our film is ready. We're going to put our other glove on, spray our film, dip it, and see how it comes out. Alright, everything looks pretty good. Here we are, and straight down in the water with it. And that is the first side of it. We'll get the next side and do the same thing to it.